Hi, I'm Anya.
And I'm Nikki. Welcome to Wentworth Point, positioned in the centre of Sydney and revitalised for the Olympics.
The home today is featured in the area's premier estate. It has an ever-changing landscape. It's not just an apartment, this is a lifestyle. From the moment you step into this home, you'll be transported into a new reality. A leafy outlook of Bicentennial Park greets you and merges with the urban landscape and water views of the Bay, Rhodes, and even out to Strathfield. The living area will comfortably suit the needs of a modern family. It's open plan with plenty of natural light and airflow. There's plenty of room for indoor entertaining with a versatile dining space, flowing to its own balcony, and of course, a huge covered deck where many memories will be made. From this position, you'll get eye-level views of the bay and absolute privacy. Imagine waking up to this outlook every morning, as this room is positioned to enjoy the glorious morning sun.
The kitchen has been lovingly updated with premium Miele appliances, including a top-of-the-line induction stove, custom cabinetry, statement splashback, and an easy flow-through to its own butler's pantry. A study or versatile sitting room also extends from bedrooms 2 and 3. There's also lift access to a rare lock-up garage.
This could be the home that you've been waiting for.
We look forward to seeing you at the next inspection.